Try to find it. Climb up there. Nope. Look around. Over here.
Where?
Look down here. You're standing on it.
This?
Yeah. Look down.
This is not a present. James!
What do you say?
Thank you.
Look at Grandpa. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
You excited?
Yeah. Was it in your car?
Uh-huh. Oh, I bought it for you.
You did?
Isn't that cool?
So is there batteries in it?
No, but you got a bunch of them. Your dad just got you a bunch of batteries, so we're good. Okay? Bring it inside.
James is gonna show me truck. Choo choo!
Hey!